So children, in last class we discussed about the main parts of a computer. That is your monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Yes or no? Yes? We discussed now? Yes. So here, what is the use of a monitor? What is the use of a monitor? To watch the... Okay, you can see the pictures. You can watch the movies and videos on your monitor. Yes or no? You can see the picture. You can watch the movies and videos. This is the use of a monitor. Next comes your keyboard. What is the use of a keyboard?
To type.
Yes, to type the letters or numbers, we need a keyboard. This is the use of a keyboard. Next comes your CPU. What is called for CPU? There is one more word. What is the one more name for the CPU?
Central Processing Unit.
That is a full form of CPU. What it called? Yes, it is a brain of a computer. Next comes your mouse. What is the use of a mouse?
We can
What is the use of a mouse? Not about the keyboard. Mouse. You are using for typing a mouse. To make a point, or you can say open and select the any items which are present on the monitor. We are using the mouse. Okay now. Next comes your other useful parts of a computer. Other than these four, there are other also parts. So that we will discuss one by one. First comes your printer and scanner. Why are you using printer? Yes. To take a printout, we are using the printer. Yes or no? What is the use of a scanner? To scan. Correct. Whatever there is on a page, you have to scan it and you have to store it in your computer. So printer and scanner is opposite to each other. We'll see. A printer copies the information that we see on a monitor onto a paper. Yes or no? Whatever we see on a this your monitor, that picture only we are taking the printout. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. So whatever we are seeing on a monitor, that information we are the copying on a paper. That is printout. The printed paper is known as a printout. Whatever print we are taking on a paper, that paper it is called as a printout. You can print letters, poems, stories, pictures, cards, etc. with the help of a printer. Yes, we can print anything, whatever it is. It will be a drawing, it will be a sketch, it will be a writing, your compositions, whatever it is. It can be letters also. Yes or no? That is your uses of a printer. Next, some printers can print only in black and white. Other printers can print in any color. See, are you seeing your question papers? Question paper.
Yes.
It is in which color?
Black man.
Yes, black. Whatever typing it is there, it is your black and the paper it is white. That is called as your black and white. But see your textbook, it is having a color. So, this is called as a color printer. So, like this we can take a color printer. Yes or no? In some printer, it is there are black and white only. In some printers, it is color also. It is depends on the printer. Okay. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, next comes your scanner. The scanner does the opposite work of a printer. It copies the words and pictures from paper onto a computer. See, whatever I will take, keep this paper. See, this is a printout. It is having the letters, drawing and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if I keep this paper on a scanner, there is a scanner. If I keep this paper, same image will be displayed on your monitor. So this information goes to your CPU and from CPU it will be shows on your monitor. Before it will be not there on your monitor. But if you scan it, you will get it on your monitor. This is the use of a scanner. Got it? Any doubts?
Yes.
Okay. Next comes your microphone and speakers. Yes, this is also parts of a computer.
Yes.
Yes. So you will see what is the use of this microphone and speaker. Microphone is used for recording voice and the other different sounds. Speaker lets us listen to music and hear sound effects on the computer. See, microphone is using for recording. Whatever, see, I am talking here. I want my voice to be recorded. So what should I use? Microphone or speaker?
Microphone.
Yes. For the recording of your voice, we need a microphone. And what is the use of a speaker? It will help to listen whatever it is recorded or whatever you are having a music. Are you listening the song?
Yes, ma'am.
So for listening the song or music, you require a speaker. Yes or no? This is the use of your microphone and speaker. See, microphone is using for recording and speaker is used whatever you are recording that you have to listen. For that purpose you are using the speaker. This is the use of your microphone and speaker. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next comes your headphone. We can listen to music using headphones. When we use headphones, we are the only ones who are able to hear the music. This way, others do not get disturbed. These days, headphones comes with an attached microphone. See, there are the more disturbance. If you put a speaker, it will be disturbed to others also. Yes or no? It will irritate to others also. So what you have to do that time? There will be a headphones. Okay. Only you only are able to hear. Means only one person is hearing you. See in speakers, whatever there are people around you, they can listen the music. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If you put a headphone then who is sitting is your beside, they can listen, they can hear the voice. If you are using your headphone,
No, ma'am.
so only you have to able that to hear the music. Yes or no? So headphone is only for one person. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next comes your UPS. Are you seeing this UPS anywhere? It's like a battery.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? We see now first. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. Means there will be no disturbance in the power supply. It keeps the computer working for some times when the electricity goes out. This gives us time to finish and save our work properly on a computer. See, For example, I am typing on a computer. Okay, something I want to type on a computer, and that time light went. With the light went, the whatever I have typed, it is also goes or no. So that time, if we are using this UPS, it will make that the computer will be work for some time. To save that, the UPS will be help us to save the files. Okay. After there will be a current off, the computer will be working for a sometimes. Sometimes it like look like as a battery. Are you using a generator?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone having a generator?
Yes, ma'am.
When you are using the generator, when you are using the generator,
When lighting is on.
when there is a light goes up. Yes or no? Similarly, this UPS help us to work on a computer. It will help the computer to keep it on only. It will not be turned off when the electricity goes off. Yes, got it? What is the use of this UPS now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is the use of a UPS. This is the all parts we discussed. Are you having any doubts? You can ask.
No, ma'am.
No doubts?
Mommy, what did you say? I don't know.
So, you have any doubts?
No, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. This is what I want to make. No, ma'am.
If you are having a network issue, the class will be recorded. You can listen it later also. You can watch it later. Okay, you can leave the meeting and you can watch the video later if there is a network issue. Okay. So in this chapter, we learn three short forms. That is your CPU, one it is video, and one it is your UPS. What is the full form of a CPU? Yes, it is Central Processing Unit. What is a VDU? What is a VDU? What is the full form of a VDU?
Visual display unit.
Yes, it is Visual Display Unit. What is the other name for this VDU?
Monitor.
Yes, for monitor we are calling it as a video. Visual Display Unit. Next comes your UPS. What is the UPS full form? Huh? What is the full form of a UPS?
Unit.
No, it is uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted power supply. Uninterrupted. What it is? Power supply. Remember these three, okay? Remember these three full forms, okay? One is CPU, one it is video, and third one it is UPS. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll go to the assessment zone. Open page number 26. Everyone just mute it and open page number 26.
Okay, ma'am.
Open. Everyone open.
Done, ma'am.
First one, eighth one, it is giving the fill in the blanks. In bracket, they given a 4 words. It is speakers, microphone, mouse, and scanner. Okay, using that 4 words, we have to fill in the blanks now. This is the first one. You can select and draw things on a monitor using a. What will be the first answer? You can select and draw the things on a monitor using a.
Mouse.
Yes, it is mouse. Write down the first answer. See here they given a line. Write down the answer as a mouse. Write down there. Take a pencil and write down the word. It is mouse. 26 page number.
Number
26. Okay. This is mouse. Mouse. Write down there.
Yes, ma'am.
Over. Okay. Next, second one. Dash help us to listen to music. Yes, it is speakers. Write down the second one answer. Speakers. That the spelling answer. Speakers. Write down.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone's done.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, third one. A dash is used to record your voice. What we are using?
Microphone.
Yes, it is microphone. Write on the spelling. Microphone. Microphone. It is microphone. Wrote everyone? Okay. Next, fourth one. A dash helps you copy your picture from paper onto computer.
Scanner.
Yes, you have to use your scanner. Write on there. SCANNER. SCANNER. It is scanner. Write on there.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Done,
Next big one it is who am I? They given here their work. Based on their work, you have to write their names. Okay. First one it is my first letter is in the word pet. My last letter is in the word red. I can take printouts for you. I am a. Who can take a printer? Who can take a printout? It is printer. Write down the spelling. PRINTER. Write down fast. PRINTER. Printer. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Let me explain once again. It is PRINTER. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, my first letter is in the word hat. My last letter is in the word elephant. I used to listen to music Nowadays, I come with the attached microphone. I am a
Speaker.
no,
Monitor.
no. It will come your headphone because the one more word they given it is. Nowadays, I come with an attached microphone. With the attached microphone, it comes as your headphone, not your speaker. Okay. Write down the headphone. HEADPHONES. HEADPHONES. Headphones.
O.
Over. Shall I go to the next? Everyone's done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third one. My first letter is in the word umbrella. My last letter is in the word snake. I let you work on a computer for some times when the electricity goes up. I am a
UPS.
it is UPS. Write down the answer. UPS. Write down that only. UPS.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone's done?
Done, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Seat one is your homework. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Seat one is your homework. What is the seat one? Identify the different parts of a computer and write down their names in the space provided using the words given below. See here in the box, yellow box, they given it is a 8 word. Yes, it is given 8 word. That part you have to identify and write their names. They given here. See for this picture they provide here up there is one box. In that box you have to write their names. It is your homework. Will you do that? Will you do that, children? Yes, it is easy. We have to just search the names of the parts they given there and you have to write their names. Yes or no?
Ma'am, homework. Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Homework? Who is asking me homework? Someone is asking me homework. Who is she? Who is she? Okay. Next it is answer the following questions. There are 4. We'll discuss one by one. So first one question it is, what is the function of a CPU? 1 minute, don't tell the answer. I will call the names. That person have to answer it. Okay. Nilaskar, are you there? Nilaskar. Nilaskar, are you there? Ramesh Nilaskar. Mantesh Mutwad, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have to answer me the first question. What is the function of a CPU? What is the main function of a CPU?
This is the processing unit.
It is a full form of a CPU. What is the use? What is the main function?
CPU electronic.
Huh?
CPU. CPU electronic machine.
CPU is electronic machine. Huh? CPU is electronic machine or computer.
Central processing unit.
Okay, it is a central processing unit. What is the use? What is the main function of this CPU? For example, see, we are using a keyboard for the typing. Same way, what is the use of a CPU? Yes. How nothing? Yes. Yes, we are using the CPU for doing a calculation and solving the sums. Yes or no? We have to use this for solving the difficult sum. This is the main function of a CPU. Next, give the full forms of the following. What is the UPS full form? Hmm? What is the full form of a UPS? It is uninterrupted. What it called? Uninterrupted. Don't get confused here. Separate the spelling first UN and then you spell. Uninterrupted power supply. Next second one it is VDU. What is the use of a VDU? Huh? It is visual next. Huh? Yes, it is visual display unit. Next CPU. Yes, it is central processing unit. UPS it is uninterrupted power supply. Next comes your video, visual display unit. And third one CPU, central processing unit. Understood? It is uninterrupted. Uninterrupted power supply. It is your UPS. Okay. Next come, how is a printer different from a scanner? Can you explain the difference between a printer and scanner? Who will going to explain me? Any one person have to answer me. Who is going to explain? Huh? Who is going to explain me? Okay, Unnati, can you explain what is a sorry, how is a printer is different from a scanner? Explain. Yes. We can say it as a in printer we are copying the information what is there on your monitor, but in our scanner we are getting the or copies of information what is there on a paper. It is opposite. See a printout means if it is a printer we are copying the information for our monitor, and here on scanner we are copying the whatever there on a paper we can scan in on your monitor. So no. Next, fourth one, how is a UPS useful? What is the use of a UPS? Huh? Who is going to tell me the answer? How is UPS is useful? Who knows the answer of this UPS? Huh? How is a UPS useful? Yes, it keeps the computer working for sometimes after electricity goes off. Yes or no? When the electricity goes off, it will help to computer to work on it. Okay? To continue our work, it is help us. Yes or no? Next, this is your activity you have to done. This is your homework. What you have to do here? Read the following lines carefully. Fill in the blanks with various computer parts and draw its picture in the box given next to it. You have to draw the pictures, huh? Draw the pictures of monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer, speaker, headphones, whatever it is given, you have to write there. Tell me what is the first one?
A computer has a dash on
What will become?
monitor.
Yes, it will come as a monitor and you have to draw the picture. What is the second one?
Keyboard is a dash with lots of keys.
What will be the answer?
Keyboard.
It comes as a keyboard. Next, third one.
Dash
Doesn't like the cheese. Who?
mouse.
Yes, it is mouse. The mouse with it doesn't like the cheese. Next, dash is its brain whose energy never drains. Brain.
Printer.
Printer is the brain of a computer. It is CPU. Next, it has a dash which copies the images on a paper. Printer has scanner. Which copies images on a paper. It is printer. Next one, the dash attached with it has good music to play so you have fun all day. What will be the last?
Speakers.
Yes, it is speakers. Correct. That you have to write there the names of a part and you have to draw their pictures. Don't stick there. Huh? You have to draw the pictures. See here, they given you a space. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Next class, that is on tomorrow, we start the next chapter. That is your fourth chapter, learning to switch on and switch off of a computer. Before that, first is complete this activity zone and what I given you one activity. This is your sixth one. Will you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.